Mental health and AI. Can technology really replace the human touch? Today, we're exploring a controversial topic, the role of AI in mental health care. It's exciting, but it also raises some big questions. Imagine you're feeling down and decide to chat with an AI therapist. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's happening now. AI is making waves in mental health, offering 24/7 support and analysing data faster than any human could. But here's the million-dollar question. Can a machine really understand your feelings? Sure, AI can recognise patterns and offer advice, but can it truly empathise? Think about it. When you're going through a tough time, don't you want someone who really gets it? That's where human therapists shine. They offer that warm, genuine connection that, let's face it, machines just can't match. Now, don't get me wrong, AI has its perks. It can help track your mood, offer quick support between therapy sessions, and even flag potential issues early on. But when it comes to diving deep into your emotions, understanding the nuances of your experiences, and offering that comforting presence, humans take the lead. So, what's the verdict? Well, it's not about choosing one over the other. The future of mental health care likely lies in a balance, using AI to support and enhance the work of human therapists, not replace them. Remember, at the end of the day, it's okay to embrace technology, but don't underestimate the power of human connection. Your mental health deserves that personal touch. So, next time you're considering mental health support, think about what you really need. Sometimes a chat with an AI might be just the thing. But when you need that deeper understanding, don't hesitate to reach out to a human therapist. Take care of yourself and remember, in the world of mental health, the human touch still matters.